Okay, so you make an ad like this. I put this here, but it wouldn't be there if it was an ad. If it's a free post, you'd have to put it there. But you have the property that you want. You say open house today, 1 to 3. Click for details. When they go, it takes them to the bot, and it's going to ask them, it registers them, gets the email, the phone number, and all that, right? And then when it goes, it takes them to the whatchamacallit, the Matterport, and then it's a zoom that takes them to here, and you'll have, like, to the right on the white space, we'll have some graphics that talk about the agent and the brokerage, and maybe some details about the property, and then you walk them through the property like as if you're there. So then, and they can ask questions while you're talking to them. You can tell them about the walk-in closet and the new appliances and the granite, and this is the property, and it's next to the park, and then you walk them through it, right, giving them information, and while you do, you're qualifying them, asking them about if they have kids and all this other stuff. Do they have a lender? And if they don't, you could then go back to Facebook Messenger and send them the link to your lender. If they have credit problems, you can send them there, down payment, whatever. So you can totally talk to them while you're walking them through the property. So, and this is better than just using that like a video virtual tour, and it's better than just a Matterport because you've got the agent live, right, showing them everything, telling them things that aren't in the Matterport or the video, and then you get the conversation and get the rapport going, so that the people feel good about you, the agent. So it's a really powerful tool. I'm working up the details. I'm working up the how this is going to work as far as the graphics on the side, and how we're getting the Facebook and the Zoom and the registration to work right. So, but this is how it works. And if you want to see a demo of it live, just let me know. And if you have a Matterport, we'll even set it up to where we can have all the features, and you could try it as if you're a client, and go from there. All right, thanks.